Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Java Edition is ready and you're signed into the correct Microsoft account because your friends list ties to that login. Once done, open Minecraft and match your game version to theirs. Mismatched versions prevent connections. Next, choose how you'll join. Use a direct IP for private servers, LAN for local play, Realms for easy invites, or join a third-party server. These choices determine the next steps, so pick the method that fits your friend's setup. You now execute the connection method you picked. For a direct IP, go to Multiplayer, click Add Server, type a clear name and the server IP, port, then save and join. This routes you straight to your friend's world. If using LAN, make sure both computers share the same Wi-Fi or Ethernet and have firewalls adjusted, then have the host choose Open to LAN. For Realms, invite by username from the Realms management screen and have friends accept the invite. That simplifies permissions and reduces setup time. You finish by adding friends through your Microsoft Friends list for streamlined invites or by sharing server IPs directly. This lets you invite, teleport, or grant permissions depending on server type. Once connected, set roles and protections to avoid griefing and make sure your friends' usernames are spelled exactly. If something goes wrong, check port forwarding and firewall settings, confirm both clients use the same version, and if needed, restart the router or test via LAN or a trusted VPN.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.